In this short tutorial, we're going to show you how to install and insert the trial license for your Adept Tool. Once you have completed our online trial license form, you will receive an email from us that includes your trial license details and a link to download the software. You may have already downloaded the software as we provide you with a link on the trial license form. If you haven't downloaded the software, click on the link which will open up your default browser and start the download process. You may be asked if you would like to save the file somewhere, but by default most browsers will start the download automatically. Our downloads go into our downloads folder. You may have chosen another area for this. We're now going to install the Adept Tool. We suggest that you are logged onto your computer as an administrator, and we always suggest to right click and run the installation as an administrator. This is incredibly important for Windows 10 users, and also Windows 10 users, you may have an option of more and run as administrator coming off of this. So we're going to select this option to start the installation process. We click on OK, and on the next screen we are going to accept the directory that the tool would like to install into by clicking this button here. The next option is the program group. We suggest to stick with what we have provided with a program group of Adept tools. We then click on the continue button and the tool will go through its installation process. As you can see, this was very quick. We can now click on OK and we've installed our Adept Tool. For the first time of running it, we'll click on our Windows Start bar. We can see it up here, but also in your All Programs section, you'll have a folder called Adept Tools, and here is our invoice CSV import. The first screen that comes up is the End User License Agreement and the basic privacy policy. You can view our full privacy notice by clicking on the link here. Once you have read and you agree to the terms, tick the box and click on Continue. We are now presented with the help file for the tool. We exit from here and you can see now we have the Adept license screen. We pop back to our email and we're now going to copy and paste our license details into the tool. The license to must match exactly what we have in our email, upper and lower case. We'll now copy and paste our serial and then our license key. We click on OK and you can now see that the license type is a trial license and it will expire on the 6th of the 10th, 18. We click on OK and the About dialog pops up. There is a check for update button here and we've got our version number in the top corner. You also have access on this screen to the EULA. Click on Continue and our options are then presented to us. Click on OK and we've now installed our Adept Tool ready for use. Thanks for watching.